In this lesson, we are going to learn how to type the letters D and K. Okay, this is very simple. In the previous lesson, we learned how to type the letters F and J. So, to type the letter F, we use the index finger of the left hand. This is how we type the letter F. And to type the letter J, we use the index finger of the right hand, like this, F, J, F, J, F, J. Now, to type the letter D, we use the middle finger of the left hand, like this. This is the movement. And to type the letter K, we use the middle finger of the right hand. Okay? D, K, D, K, D, K. So, in the previous lesson, we learned how to type two letters, F and J. In this lesson, we learn how to type two more letters, D and K. Now, we know how to type four letters, D, F, J, and K. Now, let's do some exercises in order for us to master these four letters. We have here, okay, in these exercises, we are going to practice typing four letters that we have just learned. So, let me start. J, J, K, K, D, D, F, F, J, J, K, K, D, D, F, F, J, K, D, 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 F. Now I click finish and I see my results. My speed is 45 words per minute and I made 4 mistakes. If I want to do this exercise again, I click restart and I do this again. J, J, K, K, D, D, F, F, J, J, K, K, D, D, F, F, J, K, D, 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 F. Okay. Now I click finish and I see my speed. 61 words per minute and I made zero mistakes, as you can see. You can choose another exercise. You can choose exercise 2, 3, or 4, and you practice typing these 4 letters. You have to practice typing these 4 letters until you don't think anymore which finger you are using to type which letter. You just type. For example, I see here the letter F. We learned that we use the index finger of the right hand to type the letter F, and we use the index finger of the left hand to type the letter J. In this case here, we use the middle finger of the right hand to type the letter K. So you have to practice typing these exercises until you don't think anymore what fingers you are using to type which letters. Okay, it's just something normal, something natural for you. Okay, so this is the objective. When you have done this exercise at least one time and you are comfortable, you can go to the next lesson where we will learn 2 more letters that are S and L. See you there.